drinks, right?
Get some candy.
Okay.
What do you think the birthday theme is?
I know.
You.
I already drew it.
Pink.
Shut up. Good job.
Pink?
No.
What do you think the birthday? What do you think the birthday theme is? Yusra?
No.
What do you think the birthday theme is?
Lulu.
No.
What do you think the birthday theme is?
Princess.
Yay! He got it right. He got it right.
What the? Okay.
Wait, stand up. This person got it right.
Okay, what's your name?
Aiden.
How did you know that it was a princess theme party?
I saw Princess. Because I saw Princess.
Good for you. At the end of the party.
I arranged this thing. I made this thing.
So rude.
Okay. What's the next question? Oh, okay.
Hurry up!
Come on, let's go. Okay. What is your name?
Asha.
How old are you?
9.
What the?
How are you doing?
She's 8 years old.
How is it going so far at the party?
Good. Good.
Okay, you guys. What are some things that you guys are loving so far about the party?
Me.
The trampoline.
Me.
I'm not done.
The trampoline, the ice cream, and
Me.
Abdi,
They don't
What do you
like.
like so far?
No love.
everything. The music.
You?
I like the balloons.